Welcome to Momegan. Momegan is part of OncaPlanta Uganda Limited. We are here in the heart of the Ugandan shear belt. My name is Lydia Nakayenze-Schubert. I am the founder of Momegan. We have two major sites. Today you're going to visit our factory in Otuke district. We have a medicinal tree farm in Pakwach, but today we are in Otuke. You will see how we work around here. We began the construction of the factory in 2019. And in March 2020 we opened. Here at this factory we have 4 primary products we make. Oilseed products, we have shea butter, we have moringa seed oil, desert date oil, and sunflower oil.
Hi, my name is Susan Ejang. I work as the operations manager at Momegan. I oversee the general duties at Momegan, right from processing to the final products that we produce. So we source our raw materials from different parts of the region, and in so doing, buying from them, we improve their livelihood because we pay them a better price that has changed their lives. And then what we are planning on doing now, we've tried a number of demonstrations to see how best we can have these raw materials produced locally within the community where we are.
We have our byproducts, the shea seed cake, which we use for making, we sell it to people who make animal feeds. For the husks from the balanites, from the desert dates, we use them to mulch our garden, and you can see where we have mulched with the balanite husks. The maize has grown very, very well. So these are also learnings we'll be taking into the community so people can learn what to do with these byproducts, because we want people to farm as organically as possible.
So we're working on establishing a nursery where the community around can come and learn from the nursery. They can pick the seedlings and have them planted. And when they start yielding, we shall be buying back the raw materials from them.
Because the conservation of the shea tree is a big challenge in Uganda, because the trees are being cut down at an alarming rate for charcoal production. We introduced the idea of planting some energy woodlots. Right now in our energy woodlot, we have an indigenous tree called okuro. It's an acacia species. And we also have clonal eucalyptus, because it also makes good charcoal. But we are going to link to other partners in the region who are specializing on charcoal and timber production, so we can get some fast-growing trees from them to put in our nurseries here. To add to our demonstration farm, we have in here some desert date trees. Of course, the shea trees are all old. I can't say how old the trees we have here are. Before them on the land and left them on the land. And yeah, we added in everything else that we needed to show what we're doing. We have our shop in Kampala where we sell the products, but we also do export. You can find more information on our website, or link with us on Instagram and Twitter or WhatsApp to connect with us. Yeah, we hope you enjoyed visiting us at the factory. Have a good day.